Best beginner workout routine. Starting a workout routine as a beginner can be intimidating, but it's a crucial step toward a healthier, happier life. The right beginner workout routine not only sets the stage for long-term fitness success but also helps you avoid injuries. In this video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive beginner workout routine that covers various aspects of fitness, including strength, cardio, flexibility, and recovery. Let's build a strong foundation for your fitness journey. Before diving into any workout routine, it's essential to consider a few key factors. 1. Consult a professional. If you're new to exercise, it's advisable to consult a fitness professional or your healthcare provider to ensure your chosen routine aligns with your specific needs and goals. 2. Set realistic goals. Define your fitness goals. Are you looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply improve your overall health? Having clear objectives will help you stay motivated. 3. Warm up and cool down. Always warm up before your workout and cool down afterward. This helps prevent injuries and eases your body into exercise. Now, let's delve into the best beginner workout routine. This beginner workout routine is designed to be adaptable, allowing you to start at your own pace and gradually increase the intensity as you gain confidence and strength. It includes 4 main components: strength training, cardiovascular exercise, flexibility, and recovery. 1. Strength training. Strength training is essential for building muscle, increasing metabolism, and improving overall strength. As a beginner, start with bodyweight exercises to build a foundation. Here's a sample strength training routine. Push-ups, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Bodyweight squats, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Planks, 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Dumbbell rows, if you have access to weights, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Perform these exercises 2 to 3 times a week, allowing at least 1 day of rest in between. 2. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercises help improve your heart and lung health, burn calories, and boost endurance. Begin with low-impact activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Aim for 30 minutes of cardio on most days of the week. 3. Flexibility. Flexibility is often overlooked but is vital for preventing injuries and maintaining functional mobility. Incorporate stretching into your routine. Static stretches. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, targeting major muscle groups. Yoga or Pilates. Consider classes or online videos to improve flexibility and core strength. 4. Recovery. Recovery is key to long-term success. Allow your body to rest and repair itself. Adequate sleep, nutrition, and hydration are crucial. Also, consider incorporating foam rolling or gentle massages to relieve muscle tension. Progression. As you become more comfortable with your beginner routine, gradually increase the intensity, duration, or complexity of your exercises. You might introduce new exercises, use heavier weights, or pick up the pace during cardio sessions. Starting a workout routine as a beginner can be both exciting and challenging. Remember, consistency is key. The best beginner workout routine is one that you can stick to and adapt as you progress. Set realistic goals, stay committed, and seek guidance when needed. With time and effort, you'll build a strong foundation for a healthier, fitter, and happier you. Good luck on your fitness journey. Please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more health and fitness updates.